Hi friends, I'm Sarita. Please subscribe Sarita Activities in YouTube and click bell icon for more videos. Thank you. Hi friends, today we are going to make bread sandwich. Let's see how to prepare this. 2 slices of wheat bread, 1 by 4 teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 eggs, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 by 4 teaspoon of salt, 1 green chili finely chopped. Take a bowl, 2 eggs. Now we have to add pepper powder, salt, finely chopped green chilies. Now mix it well. Now we can add onions. Take this tawa, switch on the flame and heat this tawa. This tawa is hot. Now we can pour some oil. Put 2 bread slices on top of it. Toast it now. Bread toasted. Now we can remove it. Pour some oil. Now we have to pour that eggs, spread it like this. Half only I poured, again half is there. Cook it in low to medium flame. Now we can remove it. Add some oil. Keep it in low flame and pour that oil and omelette mixture. Spread it like this. Our bread omelette is ready. Look at this, our bread omelette is ready. Our bread omelette is ready. I hope you all will enjoy watching this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and click bell icon for more videos.